So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open the bonnet hood on your Suzuki Ignis car. This method is applicable on the other Suzuki cars also. So just open the driver's door here, and then under the driver's seat, you will be able to see one button which you need to pull on your side. So just pull this button like this. And once you pull this button, a sound will come from the bonnet, which is for the opening of the bonnet. So now the bonnet is opened, but still you need to place your finger under this bonnet and then just do this gesture on the lever there, right? And then once you do that, this bonnet will open, and then you can do your work on your car. You can also use this kind of rod to just place this here, and your bonnet will be open. And once your job is done, you can once again place this rod there and then close the bonnet. So once you close the bonnet, you just need to push it once to lock it, right? So just push it once, and once you push it, the bonnet is now locked. So this is how you can open the bonnet hood for your Suzuki cars. Thank you.